Empty in the valley of your heart. The sun rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You can't go, you meet teacher, you see. But I've seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I, my strength in pain, and I will change my ways. I'll know my name as it's called again. 'Cause I have other things to fill my time. You take what is yours and I'll take mine. Now let me at the truth which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to a post and block my ears. I can see widows and orphans through my tears. I know I call despite my faults and despite my growing fears. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I, my strength in pain, and I will change my ways. I know my name again. So come out of the cave, walking on your hands, and see the world hanging upside down. You can understand repentance when you know the Maker's land. 'Cause I